Hi, I'm Gayatri and welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for a coconut cookie which you all are going to love, and it's going to even impress your friends and family when you make it. So Christmas is near and I thought before we enter December to start with a preliminary recipe that we could do. It's a simple recipe, yet it has immense flavor. And today I'm adding a twist from the usual raisins that I pair with coconut. I'm also keeping an option of pairing cranberries. So we have a little bit of red and white starting. The list of ingredients are already mentioned and the recipe is also available in the description below. So do check it out. We need a large bowl. In a bowl, add your soft room temperature butter. You could use a whisk here or a spatula to mix the ingredients. I'm using a spatula. Add your sugar, blend it both well, lighten the butter, mix it well. Once these two ingredients have incorporated well, add in your egg. Make sure that there are no lumps and the egg is incorporated well with the butter-sugar mixture. After the egg is done, add in your desiccated coconut powder and your self-raising flour to bring the cookie dough together. Fold in the dough well. Make sure that there is no wet and dry ingredients separate. Once the cookie dough is together, you can separate them into two halves, one for the cranberries and another for the raisins. Once you have separated, add in first your cranberry and bring in the cookie dough together. Next, add your raisins to the other half and bring the cookie dough together. This way, with one cookie dough, you have two different flavor profiles coming out. And how exciting is that? We will now measure out the cookie dough with the help of an ice cream scooper. I feel the ice cream scooper just makes it easier to measure your cookies, and it makes it far more simpler than taking a spoon and measuring it. This is your uniform cookie every time using an ice cream scooper, and that's it. Put it together on your baking tray. Make sure it's lined with either parchment paper. Here I have lined it with a silicone mat. Once you have measured out all your cookies, just roll them out in sugar so that it gives a better finish on top. That's it. These cookies are ready for the oven. In the oven for 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. You could bake them a little longer if you want them more crispy, but I prefer a crispy exterior and a chewy interior. Once the cookies are ready, you can place them on a cooling rack, and that's it. They're ready. So here they are, your coconut cookies with cranberry or raisins, whichever one you prefer. You can try this at home and do let me know in comments if you're trying this recipe, how did you find it? Also, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care.